A heinous crime in the city of Somerset El Monte, Bulacan. A 16-year-old girl who had been found reported missing for over a week was found dead inside a suitcase floating in the Sapang Alat River. The suitcase was discovered on the night of February 13, 2025, when a resident reported a foul odor coming from the river. Upon opening the suitcase, the police discovered the bloated body of the girl in a fetal position.
So upon arrival, nakita po namin yung isang slightly open na maleta, and visible po doon, makikita po na agad natin na meron pong bangkay sa loob. Naka-fetal position po siya, and intact naman po yung damit niya. Yun nga lang po, medyo bloated na kapag kakababad sa tubig.
Authorities say the victim had been missing since February 7, when she was last seen leaving home to visit a friend in Caloocan. Her family told the authorities that her last contact was with a friend who reportedly was experiencing domestic violence. After the conversation, the girl stopped replying to calls and messages, and her phone was no longer reachable.
Umabot ng alas 12, kasi tiwala ako na uuwi yung anak ko. Tapos nagtaka ako, bakit hindi na nagbubukas ang cellphone niya. Tapos po, nung mga alas 2 po nag-open, biglang namatay. Sabi ko parang may mali. Ang pakiramdam ko hindi siya ang may hawak ng cellphone.
According to Police Regional Office 3 Director Brigadier General Jean Fajardo, the suitcase may have drifted from a river in Caloocan due to the heavy rains in the preceding days.
Sa sunod-sunod naman ang ulan, dahil ilog ngayon, hindi natin masasabi kung inaanod ba, pero may possibility na dun din talaga.
In an emotional statement, the victim's family described the heartbreak of seeing their loved one's lifeless body. Her sibling tearfully shared that the girl's neck had been wounded, and her face was nearly unrecognizable.
Hindi siya na ganun. Kasi sobrang grabe. Nakita ko yung itsura ng katawan ng kapatid ko. May butas ng leg. Tapos ano yung mukha niya. Hindi ko na siya halos nakilala.
Dito po na siya po talaga yon.
As the investigation continues, the victim's family is calling for justice and answers to this tragic loss. Police have already identified persons of interest who have reportedly gone into hiding.
Nakikipag-coordinate din po tayo sa Caloocan para sa mga details pa na pwede pang makatulong sa clues sa ating investigation, and para mas madali nating
We will continue to follow this developing story and provide updates as new information emerges. Our hearts go out to the family of the victim in this difficult time. This is Rex Kate Malbog, reporting for the Perps TV.